Hi everyone! Today I have two of extra ticket, 10 euro ticket. Hala todos! Boa tarde! Mais dia de luta! Vamos jogar, ganhar! Ok, hoje eu tenho duas raspadinhas. Os números 11 e 12. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket. We're looking for matching numbers, obviously. And if we uncover the symbol lightning bolt, rayo, I think in Portuguese. I forgot already the word in Portuguese. We win double the prize. Ganha a quantia. Se encontrar o símbolo. Lightning bolt, ganha a quantia. Two times the price shown. Okay, dois vezes. And if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes, 24 prizes. Se encontrar o símbolo estrela, ganha todos os 24 premios indicados. Okay, I would like to see star today. And today I'm gonna use M2M. Okay, he's Filipino American. This is our country's flag, bandera nas Pilipinas. Okay, Jesus, my phone is low bat, so I'm charging while recording. Okay, see, we're looking for this. How many numbers? 5 numbers. Okay, I'm gonna read the numbers in Portuguese, guys. Okay. So we're looking for 53, 14, 61, 26 y 18. My lucky number. 25. My lucky number, but I never won big in this number. I just like the number. 48, 16, 65, 24, 38, 19, 32, 21, 28, 58, 60, 61, 68, Jesus, 49, 27, 59, 66, 35, 42, 46, 47, 34 y 57. So there's no win in the first ticket, numero 11. Now, premio, okay? Let's hope it is a winner. We're looking for 41, 33, 22, 61, 60. Come on, ticket. 47, 12, 54, 46, 19. Pick up ticket. 40. Si 8 that I needed in the first ticket is here. 55, 63, 36, 32, 56, 53, 52, 16 backwards. 14 that I needed in the first ticket is here. 51, 23, come on ticket, wake up. 27, 29, 44, 66, 37 y 13. Oh, meu Dios, there's no prizes. There's no win in this session, guys. 2 tickets are losers. Ay, oh, meu Dios, casa. Okay, so there's no win. Obviously. Okay. Nothing, guys. Okay. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos.